Rise and shine, it's taco time.
Good morning, guys. Today we wanted to start off our day with one of our favorite taco places in San Antonio, and that is Taco Ray. This place is old school, and if you're anything like us, it will surely put a smile on your face. Now, let's find a good neighborhood park so we can chow down. Here, even the trees look relaxed. With squirrels and cicadas. And did I mention how happy we are to be back?
So we got our breakfast tacos from Taco Ray. Yeah. We used to go there when we lived at Park West Apartments, right next to it. So we'd go on there on Saturdays, and Maria would she would wake up before me and she would go pick them up.
I would go pick them out because he would wake up at 1.
Yeah, I used to wake up really late. So, do you want to just dig in?
Yeah, let's dig in.
All right.
Most important thing, we got the salsa verde. I don't know why you got salsa roja.
I guess they give you one of each for each taco.
Yeah.
And
salsa verde is where that. Here.
Okay, this is chorizo and egg.
I'm so excited.
Ooh, it's so hot. What?
There's nothing like this in Chicago. They try.
Yeah, they try and they haven't been able to get it.
It's not the same.
Chorizo and egg.
Chorizo and egg. You're not gonna put any sauce in it? Okay. These are so hot too. They just made the tortillas too, right? I mean, the shop still smells the same way it used to.
It has the same aroma.
So yeah, so right now we are on West Avenue, close to Blanco. Is it Blanco Avenue or Blanco Road?
Blanco.
This is our whole neighborhood here in Texas. Chan, chan, chan. It's my favorite. Potato and egg. It's the best one, people.
Ham and egg. Ham and egg is where it's at.
Nah. Simple.
And these were, I think they vary in price, but they're around the $2 mark.
Yeah. They used to be cheaper, but
yeah. And if you go before 10, you can get them cheaper. So I think it's like they might be $1.25, $1.50. But for the $2 that you're paying, they're a nice size.
Something I just thought about. It's like when you're in Japan and you have a katsu sando, and then you go to the States and you have a katsu sando. Well, it's kind of like that here with
the breakfast
tacos. Yeah. They're so simple, and they're affordable, and the taste is perfect. Everything is perfect. Everything about it is perfect. And then you go to Chicago and you try a breakfast taco, and they're good. They're not the same, and they're expensive.
Maybe we just haven't found the correct place yet.
True.
Yeah, so we need to explore.
If any of you are from Chicago and you've had something as close to this as possible, let us know. Let's try another one.
Yeah. Well, the only one left is the chorizo and bean.
Chorizo and bean? Oh, really? We ate them all?
Yes.
I was like, let's just get 5. Let's just get 3 or 4 because it might be too much. Oh, because we're going to another taco place after this.
Yeah.
But no, we're done.
Yeah. All right. Last one, chorizo and bean.
Chorizo and bean.
This one's really good.
It's
Look at that.
Probably the tastiest one. Look at the fat.
Yeah.
All the oil.
From the chorizo. There you go.
Oh my god.
Just as good as I remember.
And those are some good tacos. But now, moving on to even more tacos. This time in the South Side, where we've heard so many great things of this carnitas spot on Roosevelt Avenue. Carnitas Lonja here in the south side of San Antonio, and they actually opened about 2 years ago, so we weren't here when they opened up, but they have some of the best carnitas here in the south side of San Antonio, so let's dig in right now. Wow, look at this.
Slightly burnt. I like that.
Yeah, I like that. Slightly charred. What? Oh man.
How excited are you?
Oh, I'm really excited. Like, I love me some carnitas. Some onions up in here. I'm gonna keep it simple. I know this has some chili peppers in it, and it's gonna make me sweat. All right, and I'm putting some sauce, just a little bit. Not the green stuff because he said it was really spicy. So I love that the tortilla is kind of charred, like that. That's some amazing carnita.
It's not even greasy, it's perfect.
No, it's nice and moist, has great flavor. And I usually like to take my first few bites with not too much sauce and dressing because, you know, I want to taste the meat. And it's like perfectly seasoned. And, you know, everything else that I just put on is just to enhance the flavor. So this is just great in itself. The tortilla tastes fantastic. It's nice and soft. You get a little bit of the crispiness from the chard, but aside from that, oh man, this is wonderful. Oh yeah, I forgot to put lime on mine.
Yeah, what's wrong with you? It was funny because the guy told us, "Is this your first time here?" And we were like, "Yeah." He's like, "Oh, I'm excited for you."
Kudos to Carnitas Lonjas for such delicious tender pork. Simple, but so good. If you're in San Antonio, don't miss out on any of these 2 locations. And stay tuned for even more videos from Texas. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.